Hi guys, good morning. It is 11:17 on Monday, April 13th, the Monday after Easter, and I've been doing these videos for my freshmen and sophomores every week, and I haven't done them for you. So, because it seems like you're doing this online school thing until the end of April, and then hopefully not any longer than that. I decided I'm going to start including you in these videos too, especially because I feel like if any class needs connection right now, it's the senior class. So this is what it's going to be. I'm going to post them on Mondays. Sometimes I'll post small videos throughout the rest of the week too, but Mondays will give you kind of a glimpse into the week. So we haven't done anything in this class because I honestly didn't think that you were going to have to if you were in good standing for graduation, but it appears that you will. So it appears that we're even seniors, you're going through this. So I'm not going to overwhelm you. I realize that this is a crazy time for you. It's a sad time. It's a frustrating time. You have stuff in other classes, but I do have some things that I want you to work on so we can get some grades in the grade book. And so we can maybe prepare for the end of the year to make the to make the best out of a bad situation. I mean, this sucks. It sucks so bad, and my heart is breaking for you all. And I know some of you may not care, but some of you, this is really tough and it's frustrating. And so, what I want to do is kind of touch base with you today, and then obviously we have that GroupMe account that we can chat in whenever. And you may see that I'll post some more videos. I like letting you know what's on my heart and what I'm thinking about. And I have found with my underclassmen that posting the videos has been super helpful because they can hear what I have to say instead of just reading it and trying to interpret it. So if you look at the screen, you'll see on this side over there, you'll see what we're doing this week, and it's pretty simple. This is stuff you can do when you don't have anything else to do, right? This is stuff you can do in your spare time. So I need to get grades in the grade book. I'm going to put a grade in the grade book for you just checking into Google Classroom when I posted that assignment on Friday. So I'm gonna update grades, and I just posted an announcement saying, hey, we're going to be doing stuff. Drop an emoji, and you did, and so you'll get points for that. Um, if you look at what I have posted for this week, though, the first thing that you're going to do this week is when you have time, when you're not doing other things, work on that senior slideshow. And if you remember on Google Classroom, let's see, I'll actually pull it up here. On Google Classroom, you were, I don't even know what I was going to say. Hold on. On Google Classroom, I posted what should go on your website. Okay, so here, um, senior website right here, right? It says on your senior website, this is what you should have. You should have a home page where you're talking about you, and we're gonna make the welcome videos this week. So you should have a homepage where you talk about who you are, just a little intro. This is who I am. This is what I do. This is where I work. These are the activities I'm involved in. All that kind of stuff. Then you're gonna have your senior page. Now this page could be completely different now. You have a whole new experience with what you did during the coronavirus quarantine time. But you can post pictures, write your favorite memories, quotes, list your friends, your highs and your lows, that kind of stuff. Jeez, sorry, my dogs are attacking each other. Then you're gonna have a journal checkpoint page. You should have 10 entries. And down here, remember I posted some journal topics somewhere down here, journal topics, um, right here. So I posted some journal topics. Um, opening pretzels for my kids, sorry. Okay, so I posted journal topics there. Now you can use these, or if you want to write your own topics, you want to write about what's going on right now, what you're doing in yours. You want to come over and say hi, Milo? No? I'm making a video, just 1 minute. If you want to write what you're doing in your free time, you can do that also. Hi, Milo. What you're doing during this time of the virus. So, okay, sorry, I'm completely lost my train of thought. So that's that. I'm back up here. Then you have the future plans page where you're going to post that career essay that you wrote. Even if that's not what you plan on doing anymore, you're still going to put the essay there. Any pictures of colleges or jobs that you want to do, explanation of it, all of that kind of stuff. So that's what your website will look like. Everybody's will be a little bit different, but I do want you to do this. Mrs. Norsworthy's really promoting it. Mr. Prohaska is going to be promoting it, so I want all of you to have that done. That's going to be your main grade. For this time away. So if you look at this, it says I'm going to check on that on Wednesday and Friday. So on Wednesday, I'm going to check to see that you've done some work. On Wednesday, I'm going to check that you've done some work. You'll get some points. On Friday, I'm going to check that you did more. You'll get some points. Okay, so those are going to be 2 grades this week. So make sure that by Wednesday, you've done something. By Friday, you've done more. Okay. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to post a Flipgrid video. So if you haven't done Flipgrids before, Flipgrids are where you record yourself talking, kind of like I am right now. That Flipgrid video is going to be the welcome video for your website. Okay, so I will post what you should say, all of that kind of stuff, and you will create that welcome video. Okay, because then I'll be able to download all of them, and then you can post that on the intro page to your website. Okay, so the first assignment is work on your website, make sure some stuff has been added by Wednesday. Work on your website, make sure more stuff has been added by Friday. Flipgrid video Wednesday. And then Friday, by Friday, I want you to have contributed to the senior slideshow. So that's going to be our big project. Other than the senior website, I'm going to have you work on the senior slideshow. So you've gotten the emails from Mr. Prohaska. You know that our school is, we're going to make sure that if we can, you have a prom, you have a graduation, you have everything. It's going to look different. It's not going to be what you expected, but we're going to do whatever we can to make the end of this year special for you still. So one way that they do this at graduation is through a senior slideshow, but I want to make it even bigger and better. I have to see. Excuse me. So we have a great thing, a resource with Olivia and all the pictures that she's taken. So I'm going to post a document on Thursday, and on that document are ways that you can contribute to the slideshow. Finding pictures of people who may not be pictured. I'll post a class or senior class list. Creating a video, finding videos of your friends, having them create a video. Contacting a teacher and seeing if they'll create a video. So we're going to make a combination of pictures, videos, giving songs that you think would be good, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to post a doc, and you will do something on that document by Friday to contribute to the senior slideshow. Actually, I'll try to post that tomorrow, so that way you have all week to work on it. Okay, so this week you should be working on your senior websites. On Wednesday, make sure you have checked back in here to create your Flipgrid video. And then I'm also going to post the document of ways you can contribute to a senior slideshow. Also, just so you know, what I'm trying to do is the senior slideshow, I'm going to put a QR code in the yearbook to it, so that way you'll have access to it. And I'm going to put, if you've been following the social media, either on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, the senior spotlights, I'm going to put a QR code to that Facebook page in your yearbooks as well. So this is just a side note, not an assignment, but if you have not filled out the senior spotlight form that I emailed out back in March, please do that. These have been amazing. Parents are loving it. I know that you guys like seeing them. Every single one of you in the senior class has at least 2 comments from teachers that they've taken the time and said, hey, this is how I feel about you. Good luck, that kind of thing. So fill out that senior spotlight and send me a picture so we can do your senior spotlights. Like I've already done all the Christians, I've done Alyssa's, I just did Chloe's. I don't remember about anybody else in the class, but if you haven't filled that out yet, please do, okay? Because I think that that's something that's turned out to be pretty special. And look at the pictures that I posted, aren't they cute? Thanks, Olivia, for all your pictures. Before I leave, I know this is a long video, it's almost at 10 minutes, and I blame my kids for that and my dogs. But I just want you to know that I'm thinking about you constantly, that I miss you terribly, that yesterday was just a really hard day for me, and I ended up crying on the phone with my parents because I'm just over it. And I know a lot of you feel that way too. And I can't even imagine being a senior while this is going on. So just know I'm so proud of you and I miss you. And I hope that you're trying to make the best out of this and maybe learn some valuable lessons through this. I think it hurts and it's frustrating, and you are getting gypped out of things that are important milestones, and you may not care, but you should. And I care for you. So, anyway, just know that I'm here. You can reach out to me on the GroupMe app. You can email me anything if you need to talk, if you have questions, if you have ideas. Um, but try to find ways to stay connected to each other and know that we are working for you. We're here for you. So, this is your assignments for the week. Make sure we get those done. And yeah, I miss you and I hope you're doing well. Um, Hang in there and we'll talk soon.